The film begins with Barbie and her best friend, Teresa, singing together. They tell Stacy, Barbie's younger sister, a story about the power of friendship to cheer her up after an argument with her friend. Barbie and Teresa take on the roles of Liana and Alexa, two best friends who live in a humble cottage in the countryside. They share everything, including their love for music. One day, while walking near a river, they find a mysterious, heart-shaped mirror. When they bring it home, they hear a voice coming from inside. The voice belongs to Melody, a girl trapped inside the mirror. Melody reveals that she was once an apprentice to three muses who lived in the magical Diamond Castle, a place filled with music. However, a wicked muse named Lydia turned against them, wanting the castle's power for herself. To protect the castle, the muses hid it, and Melody was placed inside the mirror for safety. Lydia is now searching for Melody because she holds the key to finding the Diamond Castle. Determined to help Melody, Liana and Alexa set off on a journey to find the castle. Along the way, they adopt two adorable puppies, Sparkles and Lily. However, Lydia learns of their quest and sends her dragon, Slider, to stop them. Lydia uses magic to create illusions, tricking the girls and testing their friendship. At one point, she offers Alexa wealth and luxury in exchange for the mirror. Alexa is briefly tempted and argues with Liana, causing tension between them. However, their deep friendship helps them overcome these challenges, and they reconcile. Liana and Alexa finally reach the hidden location of the Diamond Castle, but Lydia catches them and turns them to stone. The spell is broken. They face Lydia together, using music and courage to weaken her. Melody is freed from the mirror and takes her rightful place as one of the muses. Using the power of the castle, Melody defeats Lydia and banishes her. The Diamond Castle is restored to its former glory, and Melody invites Liana and Alexa to stay as princesses. However, they choose to return home, as their true happiness lies in their simple life and friendship. Back in the present, Barbie finishes telling the story to Stacy, reminding her that true friendship is more valuable than anything else. Stacy reconciles with her friend, and the movie ends with Barbie and Teresa singing about the unbreakable bond of friendship.
The end.